We all know that hirudoterapia influences the lymphatic, nervous, and circulatory system. We all know how hirudo substances affect our body. But not all researches have been done so far. I'm positive that in the future it would be very interesting to measure what exactly is happening with the frequency of the brain waves during and after leech therapy. When I combine spiritual practice experience with some reacting after the leech therapy, I'm convinced that leeches not only influence on our body level, but surely on mental level too. Even more, I believe that no real healing can be done without releasing tensions or traumas too. At a certain point of history, modern man lost his knowledge of psychological aspects of healing and started to focus on physical process of healing mostly. Isn't it strange that despite knowing that 90% of pathologies are of psychosomatic origin, modern medicine is still trying to cure on the physical level mostly? Do you still remember my questions from the beginning? What do Tantra, sacred plants, and leeches have in common? I promised you the answer, and here it is. Tantra, sacred plants, and leeches, they all influence on our brain wave frequency. Alpha and theta wave frequency lead to deep relaxation, which allows our body-mind system to restore. That intelligence hidden deep inside of ourselves knows perfectly well how a body should function. Dear audience, I share with you my experience with spiritual practices that successfully balance your body and your mind. I believe I also highlighted the overlooked healing process that is happening during and after the leech therapy. In my opinion, it is the change in the brain frequency during and after the leech therapy that can make leeches so superior to other conventional healing practices in curing certain pathologies. Thank you.